Where are you going? Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the PM session. We started our PM session with a trade. Had a bit of issues, but now we are good. The trade is not looking good. I was looking for a continuation lower. Doesn't seem to be doing what we want. So I hope you're all good. I hope zichibira ngabude. I hope you're all good. Um, just flip that on. I want this 1 minute favorite gap to hold the support. Let's see 5 here. 5 has closed below this low, so once we break below here and come back lower, I'll move stop loss to break even. But for now, we're gonna hold. Sometimes you start a trade a day on with a trade. Interesting, right? Yes, I'm coming to help you. This hold is valid. I'm coming in my turn, the small boy. I'm coming. And you know the small boy? What? Yeah, older. No. I'm saying you. What told you? Why? You know, open. I'll open. Oh, okay. So I'm looking at this demand area here on S&P 500. We look to be holding that demand. To be honest, if you were to take S&P 500 also, a clear trade also would be there to look for these lows. There's that possibility as well. But because of spread and other things, I chose to use Nasdaq. So I'm short on Nasdaq, but it's not looking good. If it starts fading, holding the previous 1 minute there on the high, we're gonna have a problem because this will be where the stop will be. But because I knew we might have a problem holding that one, so I just said, let's see if we can hold. If that fails, we can hold this high basically. So I'm hoping for that. Which now I'm also watching S&P 500 to see if, what will be the reaction on this demand area. You back? Yeah? Okay, no. Yes? Because it was my leg hurts. It was the toilet make me my the toilet made me head. Sorry, Nana. Oh, I take this one up. Okay, thank you. Yeah. So let's see if we can flip that low again. If we can flip that, that looks good. Sometimes you could be wrong, okay? This thing has been coming down slowly. So sometimes you could be wrong on an overall bias that you have. So when I'm wrong, I'm wrong. I have no, because it's either one sweeps this high as well as a draw, but this equal lows, that's where I want to come. And because the equal low below it have a 5 minutes fair value gap here, close to the demand point. So I guess we have to wait and see. So, oh God, I think I need to come back to my groove, man. Yeah, I've been off lately. I've been definitely off lately. I don't think the trade will hold. It looks like there's still so much strong bullish momentum here. If it survived, to be because maybe I've spread my stop loss higher, but I doubt. It's still creating this higher highs and higher lows. What was that? Come here. Where did you get that? So, while waiting for this trade to see if it's gonna play out or not. Oh, like this has already been invaded. It's failing to hold, but let's see. Where was I? I think I failed to take the long here, hey? Almost at my stop loss. Let me show you before it takes me out how close I am from my stop loss. So basically it's about to hit a stop loss now. So anytime we'll be out here. One thing will be good for me is to a rejection to this. Oh no. I don't think it will hold either way. I'm out. Okay. I've taken a loss there, which means I was wrong. Let me see where I went wrong now. No, I didn't go wrong anywhere. I just wanted a continuation to this equal lows. So I'm fine. I'm happy with the trade. I think I'm happy with the trade. Just gonna be watching, yeah. I'm gonna attempt to go short again. I'm gonna attempt to go short where it is again. I still believe in the trade though. I know it's not gonna hold. Okay. I re-entered. I think I still do believe in the trade. I think I still do believe in the trade. That's why I tried again. So let's see. Yeah, just wanted to hold the supply. So I think I still do believe in the trade. I see that, Sniper. I saw that, but I think I still believe in the short. I just wanted to hold this two supports here. So once it comes back and we'll sweep that, and one thing which I should say, it may come all the way, sweep that low, and continue lower. There's those possibilities. So, but I still believe in this trade. So that is why, and the reason being is we first held that 15 minutes in the morning session, the one that I took a break even and it went short. Came back in this region as it closed below this low. I thought maybe we're gonna get a continuation. That's why my stop loss was above here, but we seem to be going high. So I'm just wondering if we can sweep, because there is a possibility that we can just sweep this high and it continues coming back lower. So that is why I agree. Um, I wouldn't deny. Perhaps I'm held up in the trade that I want to see. Uh, but I think you could get a shot there. There's also an SMT here. Why are you joining me from Mr. Sniper? This can be your break-even point or take profit, your first take profit. Look, so yeah, in this case, for me, there was two options that I had. It's either wait for this equal lows to be taken, react on this 5 minute fair value gap, something like this. Allow the market to come here. Ha! So you're Mr. Sniper now. Ah, Baramini. Maybe look for that, something like that. This guy. He disappears and comes on my chat. What's up, brother? So we're just in a range, to be honest. And also, I'm just hoping that it holds this 15 minutes favor supply here to look for shorts. So just gonna be watching very closely. Let me check it out. I haven't checked out your YouTube channel. I haven't checked it out for years. I didn't even know that you have a YouTube channel. Let me check it out. Huh. What am I missing in checking your name? Mr. Yes. Are you holding any long-term trade? Oh, I thought as much. But I still need to say it. And I'm not getting it. Let me do this. Why am I not getting your name there? Okay, send me a link on WhatsApp. Send me your link on WhatsApp. It's about gaming, Mr. IS. Sniper 83 foot. Ah, not getting anything. Is it also Master Soldier HD? But I doubt. Campo, go to the dining room and give me the big book there. This is not you, obviously. Hey, my guy, I want to subscribe and I'm not getting you. Oh, I see how to get it. Okay, let me do this. Yes, I want the book. Yeah, I found it. How? Why is it not showing? It's on showing. Okay. Yeah, long NZD. I agree with your long NZD. That's fine, Tompo. Um, I do agree with NZD candle shorts. It makes sense. Kunja, how do I click to account? You need to send me a link, man, because I'm struggling to get you here. Okay, the trade is not looking good, by the way. Shucks, this guy never changed. Shucks. Also forward me your, ooh, also forward me your YouTube channel, man. Shucks. I don't know why it's delaying on my feeds, but it's fine. Doo-doo-doo. Oh, I was looking for shorts myself as well. I was looking for shorts myself as well, but there's long left, so. But for me, the last time I checked, I was holding GU shorts. Yeah, I told my stop loss to this low. I thought it will hold that support, but it seems like I might be taken out. That's the only long-term trade I have. Also, I went long on US oil. Also went long on US oil, but that's not a very long-term trade. I think that will be a 1 hour time frame trade. If it will allow me to hold long-term, I'll definitely do that. I'll definitely do that because one thing which I'm waiting for is just for a trade above hold that support. I will be trailing my stops. But there's a gentleman word with my friend. Ha! I wouldn't agree with GPB NZD. Let's see. Why do you hold weird pairs, GPB NZD? When you hold weird pairs? So I'm assuming you bought at that low. Yeah. Yeah. You're a mission and a half, my man. Okay, I just want to subscribe to your YouTube channel. Oh, I see. Is this in your YouTube? Code 21. How often do you stream on YouTube for gaming? The last time you streamed was 9 months ago. You should stream more often. Then maybe you can link. I think sometimes if you wanna direct, you can direct traffic from the. Should I say the name? I don't know if it will give me a problem, but from TikTok to YouTube, via the being live on both platforms. That will be very nice for you. But I love it. The only trade I wanted for long term, I think I missed it, was AUDJPY. Where is it? This is a trade I wanted long term, but it has missed me by a few pips, so there's nothing much I can do about it. Also, NZD USDT has missed me. I don't think my GU will hold. So I will need something to buy more. But let's see if something comes up. If that comes up to all the way to this high, perhaps then you could speak something. But I sometimes miss this trade because I'm not always on the charts. I don't know why. Yeah, I was been looking for that. I did add a limit, but didn't get exactly to my entry. And you always told me, when are you always told me to look at my guy, always look to, what did you always say? Always and execute manually, because sometimes when you execute using um when you execute using limits, you sometimes don't get tagged. And now I see what you mean. So it has happened to me now. But it's cool. But Bitcoin, I'm tempted to buy Bitcoin though, just to hold that support and continue. I'm really tempted. I'm really tempted to buy Bitcoin. Okay, let's just go back to my trade. Wait, yes. It looks like it's still continuing to create lower lows, yeah. So what I want, let me just mark this properly. I think for my trade to work out, there's only few things that I need, to be honest. I'll just need a few trades lower and then perhaps it will work out. But still looks like continuation to the upside. When you look at still left that breaker with 1 minute fair value gap with a breaker point, yeah. And you have supply on the other side. So let's see if that supply will hold and come fill this demand area there. To get a move like that, that's how I'm only surviving on this trade. Besides that, I'm not gonna survive. Okay, we're at the power hour, by the way, so we should be getting the move one way or another. It's for gold long term. It's interesting to see gold long term. Um, the biggest question is it time maybe to start buying gold for long term, like buy an ETF? I think for an ETF, gold will make sense. Let me see something. Citrix. G, let's see. GLD. Is it GLD? Is it GLD? Is it Citrix GLD? Oh, my trade is not looking good though. Is it GLD? What do you call the gold ETF? Oh yeah, new gold issue. Okay, I found it. Though it's low to come lower, man. I don't like how it's moving. I do wanna buy gold, but the gold ETFs are just not moving the way I want. That's why I was hoping to see if Cetrix have a gold ETF. If it did, then I was gonna take that. But I'm looking into compiling a lot of gold ETFs. But also the SA Top 40 index. It's something that I am really interested, and I think I'll do it. Look at that. So I think I'll do it. Yeah, Cetrix Top 40 index. Just gonna start marking it where I will be entering, where I will be buying it. I do love it. I'll be buying a lot of Cetrix Top 40 index. Let's see how they look like. The top 40, Cetrix Top 40. Which one is it? Let me see. It moves exactly the similar. I'm just wondering if we can get a good Cetrix Top 40 ETF index that is clean, because there's quite a few here. I'm really wondering. Don't forget to like and subscribe. 40 Shara Top 40 See, okay. I'll be interested in the Shara. It moves quite similar to the actual SA Top 40. So be looking into buying this stuff, man. Another one. I know Citrix has different top 40 indexes. Oh, this is on Think Markets. Okay. No. Okay. I think I am gonna look into that. Why do you want to close the door? Yeah, I think so. But back to day trading, man. On the decade. Look, on my watch list currently, I'll tell you what's on my is a Chinese top 50 index, NZD USD shorts, GBP AUD. I think so. Those are the ones that are on my short on my short list. Yes, DJPY. It missed me earlier, but I don't see it coming back up on my thing here. Where is it? That's overstretched, eh? If it comes back to these lows, perhaps I will attempt, to be honest. But for now, I'm just gonna do nothing. What's weird is USD JPY on a 4 time frame is very clean. So, oh, this is very aggressive. This is very aggressive. The the bias are very strong here. Might be taken out. But look, if I'm taken out and comes all the way back to my entry, I will re-enter. I won't even hesitate to re-enter. Takes me out, I'll re-enter again. Short. So I think there is this guy here. Earlier on, I was short, but because of this gold uncertainties with gold, it affected the Aussie, and I'm very bullish for Aussie. So I'm just wondering, can we hold this support maybe? I'm just gonna be watching it also to see if we can hold that support. We have almost an hour. Let's see what happens to our trade. I hate that sometimes this thing might consolidate until closure, and I don't like holding trades to closure. So, but anyway, can it do something? Do something. Remember, I went in on a trade first, which I took a loss. So this is my second attempt on the trade. This is my second attempt. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And when you look at the 5, yes, we are holding this kind of a 5 minutes supply nyana here, and the high on this 5 minutes fair value gap. It's just, yeah, it's just a bit worrying. Could be a continuation to go higher. For me, I thought maybe let's just reject, come back, take out this equal lows, and we flip from there to look higher, but it doesn't look like it wants to do what I want. So I decided to be very aggressive afterwards. I went in aggressively on the second trade. Let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out at the end. I'm coming now. I said go take my book when leave I'm going. I'm back. I'm back. What's up in here? Let me check something here. Okay, currently I'm watching this low for take profit. If by at least it flips, come to my direction. So that will be the low that I'm targeting as a take profit. Yeah, you allowed, Klompo. The trade is not gonna hold, guys. I'm not gonna lie. The trade does not look good at all. Ah, looks to push to the upside. Let's see. What's tired? Okay, the trade is not looking good. Oh, come on, man. I thought it was gonna reject, doesn't seem to be rejecting. Doesn't seem to be rejecting. So look at that. Okay. Need to start studying, guys. The trade is taking forever. Oh, you have 15 minutes before sleeping time, eh? Yes. If it's five. Okay. What? Okay. Doesn't seem to be happening, man. Almost at a stop loss. Let's see if it will take us out. No? Oh, come on. The trade does not look set, so Okay, guys. I'm just gonna be studying, ne? And then allowing the trade to happen while I'm studying. Sure. I'll leave the trade, and while I'm just studying, guys, I need to study. That's all. Just you can just comment, then I'll see your comment, then we interact from there. But I need to start. Come on, man. Just don't lag the fat 1 minute. Just gonna wait for this five closure. If this five closes like this, it might hold this gap here. Umpa, it's time to go sleep. Let's go to your room. Nanda, it's time to go sleep. Give Daddy phone. Good night. Love you guys. Come to sleep. Thank you. Love you. Come. Shut. Good night. Come. How are you? Time to go sleep, ne? Ne? Oh. Okay? Yeah? Don't close. Don't close the door. Bye bye. Someone, don't feel I'm coming to your. I'm coming now. Okay, guys, I think I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna leave it to stream here alone, and I do my stuff because, yeah. For those that love trading, let me see. You could look to trade the 5 here, to be honest. You could look to jump on this 5 here. I just want to be honest. You could look to jump on this 5, target this low. Yep, I think let's hold and see. So let's wait and see. I'll leave this trade running and do other things. Just gonna close the mic. No, look at that. Came all the way. We got that sweep. Now it's rejecting. But anyway, thank you so much. Today I've taken a loss. Thank you so much for joining me. Truly appreciate it. We've come to the end of the session. Have a great day, guys. I love you all. Bye bye.